Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest combined review of Forex and stocks markets. On Friday, the US dollar was squeezed by the US political impasse. Against the euro, the greenback climbed to $1.35.55 from $1.36.19 hit on Thursday. Thursday's quote was the highest since the start of the year, after $1.36.38 logged on the 1st of February. By the end of the last week, the European single currency gained about 0.2% in relation to the US dollar. The closely watched employment report scheduled for the 4th of October wasn't released by the US Labor Department due to the extended government closure. Since a bulk of September statistics is missing, the Federal Reserve is likely to maintain the bond-buying stimulus at its late October meeting. Another bane of the American economy is its swelling federal debt. Unless the ceiling is raised, the country will face a technical default on the 17th of October. The rate of the US dollar to the yen grew to 97.41 from 97.24 previously. The week saw the pair lose 0.8%. Last week, the Bank of Japan kept the monetary policy unchanged and was pleased to observe signs of economic recovery. The long-awaited inflation growth was particularly welcome. Nevertheless, the US stock indices closed in the red, even though Friday's session was cheerful. The political deadlock was the key reason for the weekly fall of the American stocks. The latest comments of the Republican Speaker John Boehner sent the indices down. Later, however, they rebounded and closed near the session highs. Last Friday, the quotes of the energy company's shares rallied as Tropical Storm Karen chugged closer to the U.S. Gulf of Mexico coast. About half of oil and gas production in this region was shut. The securities of ExxonMobil Corporation grew by 1%, more expensive after Raymond James upgraded the investment rating on the corporation to strong buy. In addition, the price target on the energy giant was set at $98 per share. By the way, the stock of ExxonMobil shares have waned 0.6% since the beginning of the year. Meanwhile, the stock of Facebook moved to the positive territory on Friday. The bulls were excited by the news that Facebook is to place ads on Instagram. What's more, on Thursday, another social network, Twitter, announced plans for an IPO next month. The shares of Facebook rose by 3.8% and closed at $51.04. You are watching the latest combined review from InstaForexs. Thank you and goodbye.